when you upload a video to YouTube, YouTube automatically generates captions for your video. You need to know how to access those captions and turn them on and off, and also how to edit them, because they're not 100% accurate, obviously, from the software that YouTube uses. You can do this on Facebook as well, but I think that the advantage of doing it on YouTube is that once you've done the edit, you can actually download the timed caption file, the .srt file from YouTube, and have that saved onto your computer, which you can then upload to Facebook or to Vimeo and even to LinkedIn, so that on all these platforms, rather than having to upload separate caption files, you can just create it once on YouTube and then upload them to these separate platforms. So in order to edit them, you navigate to your video and go to YouTube Studio. Click on edit at the bottom right of the main video. Then down in the left hand toolbar, you select subtitles. And to edit them, you just click on the right hand side here where it says published. And it brings you to this window here where you'll be able to make corrections and edit your video, edit your captions. If you already know how to do that, I'll just jump to the very last action, which is to download the SRT file. You just click on the drop down menu actions. The most common file type is the .srt. You click on that and that will save it to your download folder on your computer for you to use on all those other platforms I mentioned. To edit the text, go up to the top right, click on edit, and then you'll change this grayed out text here. Press play on your video, start to listen to the text. When you spot a mistake, just move the cursor to where the mistake is, highlight the error, and as soon as you start to type, the video will pause and give you time to type and catch up. So that should have said Comstedia's mission. Now I press play again and keep on listening for the next mistake. The next mistake is organisation spelt the American way. So you just keep working through the video, correct the errors that are in there until you're happy with the text. Once you've done all that, come up to the top right and save your changes by clicking on the blue. Overwrite the automatically generated subtitles, and then you come back to this box. You want to click back now because we want to download those files, so click back on the edited file here that says English and navigate over to actions, drop down and download your .srt file. Now you can upload that file to excuse me, to Vimeo or to Facebook. I'll show you Vimeo first. If you're using Vimeo, you'll find your subtitle options on the left hand toolbar under distribution. Drop down there and you can see subtitles. I've already uploaded a couple of captions files. You just click for new file, input your language, select captions because it's not subtitles. Subtitles technically are a translation from a foreign language, and then choose file. And that'll take you to your download folder until you find the file that you're after. The .srt extension is what you're looking for. And then that's the file added there, and you can choose to turn it on or off. On Facebook, it's a little bit different. You come to your editor and you access subtitles and captions on the right hand toolbar. Click here. And if you just click on upload and go to choose your file, and go straight to that .srt file, you'll find you get a message, if I open it, that says you've uploaded the incorrect SRT file. It's got the wrong file format. So all you have to do is go back to your downloads folder and change the extension here. Just put in .en for English _ uppercase US. And then you'll be able to upload that to Facebook. It's worth pointing out at this point that I've been using the Google Chrome browser. If you use Safari, you'll get this message on Facebook. It's not compatible yet. The browser doesn't support the caption editor tool at all on Facebook. On YouTube, you can use it. You can edit all your titles, but when it comes to the download stage, it doesn't work so well. If you click the download here, you just get a timed text script on the browser. You can't actually download it to your computer. So if you want to make this all work, you need to be using Google Chrome. YouTube is a really effective way and a free way to create captions for your videos, and it will save you time later if you're going to be uploading to multiple platforms.